from New York City. You guys said you wanted a vlog from New York that wasn't Fashion Week, so I'm here for a fall trip. I have a ton of meetings and then my cousin's wedding. I'm a little disappointed because there are no fall leaves. I was so excited to see fall leaves, but it is chilly enough for me to wear my scarves and my coats and a ton of fall outfits for you. Meetings are done. Met up with my love, Cheryl. You guys remember her from my Fashion Week video 2 years ago, and she just is one of my best friends in LA. So I turned I love you. I'm so happy to be here in the city with her. Aww. I turned my dress into a shirt, and we are off to drinks. Yep. And then we're gonna celebrate National Pasta Day. Yummy, scarpetta. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Pasta Day, so we are celebrating with our favorite pasta. We all got the same thing. It is definitely much colder today, so I wore a cozy turtleneck for a day of meetings, keeping it classic in black and white and the comfy booties. Elizabeth. So ABC Kitchen was one of my favorites, but she took me to ABC. Look how yummy this is. I have a berry bowl, avocado toast. Morning meetings with my love Kelly. She just moved to New York from LA, so we are having some avocado toast, smoked salmon, an omelet, this beautiful location. Into M&L to rate their beauty closet. This is all Essie. You know, that's like basically all I wear. So this is one of my favorites. It's called Hold the Position. It is the Essie and Jill Couture. And I'm gonna pick up some new products. I'm heavily caffeinating my way through New York. Now with Molly at the cutest coffee shop. Cheers! Cheers! They're pretty lattes. I got a little flower. You're special. Off to dinner with Cheryl, and we are going to Alta, which is one of my favorite tapas places in the city. Are you ready for some tapas? Yes, I am. Tapas, tapas, tapas. So excited for dinner. I'm with Billy. Hi. And Cheryl. And Ruben. And my favorite. Cheers. Pasta. For another busy day of meetings with Cheryl. It is pretty chilly and I left my coat in the room like a psycho, but I have my big blanket scarf and Cheryl has her warm teddy coat. We're off for a busy day in New York. Best friend in the world, Michelle, and her new baby. So Asher's taking us out to lunch. He's all snuggled up. Hi, cutie. Hello. Time for lunch. Michelle took me to Gotan, and it's really, really yummy. We're both having tuna and avocado. Baby is sleeping. After a very long but fun week in the city, we are in the country. This is my cousin-in-law. I don't know. She's just my girl, Megan, and we are watching my other cousin get married. It's beautiful here.